So basically, we are talking about how to upgrade or improvise from GenAI to agentic AI in the businesses or in the corporates. So it contains four processes: basically the translator, the context connector, the frozen knowledge base, the next step prediction. So basically, it's a cyclic process. So whatever the information what we send, it converts into numbers. That is NLP, natural language processing, which is the main part for any LLM. Once it converts it converts into chunks, and they are sent for trying to understand to get the information from the knowledge database. How to rewrite this? What are the chunks what are the context which is being given? Those are sent to the huge knowledge base of billions of context, billions and trillions of the context information has been saved. That is heart of any LLM. So when we see like once it is sending, it is also focusing on the related parts. What are the next part which has to be predicted. So it goes to the next step prediction. So it gives cue on what is the next step prediction to be given from both from it gets the information from the frozen knowledge database. Basically it gets highest probabilistic match which can be used to use for this generating the content, and also it gets a queue saying what is the next step prediction to be done. So it's a cyclic process. It does all till it generates the complete content. It stores in a temporary memory, and finally output is generated back into the human readable language using the NLP. Basically what it means is like it is exactly dependent based on the frozen knowledge base what you're given, and also what are the controls you have put. Like say if the information asked is about some any critical information like the security password or something, those will be cut, or those will be stopped before generating the output, because there are some checks or there are some barriers which are already put. So this is how exactly the GenAI model architecture works in creating the content. To know how to migrate from GenAI to agentic AI in stepwise and also in a cautious manner, please watch the complete video given in the description. Thank you.